our learning session today. Our topic is about analyzing devices, onomatopoeia, alliteration, assonance, and consonance. What are sound devices then? Sound devices are elements of literature and poetry that emphasize sound. They are poets' tool to hook the readers like us. Number 1. Onomatopoeia. Take note of the spelling. Onomatopoeia is when a word's pronunciation imitates its sound. Example A. Meow, meow, as the cat cries because of hunger. Meow is the sound that is being imitated. Example B. A bang wakes me up. Bang is the sound that is being imitated. Go to alliteration. Alliteration. It is a repetition of initial consonant sounds. Example A. Sarah sings a song for Sam. Sarah sings a song for Sam. The repeated initial consonant sound is S. S. Let's go to example B. Tita Tessie tries TikTok. Tita Tessie tries TikTok. The repeated initial consonant sound is Th. 3. Assonance. It is a repetition of the same vowel sound either at the beginning of words or inside the words. Example A. Mother is looking for her cookbooks. Mother is looking for her cookbooks. The repeated initial vowel sound is U, which are found in looking, cook, and books. Example B. Erlinda harvested eggs and eggplants. Erlinda harvested eggs and eggplants. The repeated same vowel sound is E, which is found at the beginning of the words. Erlinda eggs and eggplants. Number 4. Consonance. It is a repetition of consonant sound at the end of the words, but with different vowel sounds. Example A. The black horses kick the children. The black horses kick the children. The repeated consonant sound is K, which are found in black and kick. We have example B. The boat arrives at night. The boat arrives at night. The repeated consonant sound is T, which are found in both at and night. Now that you have learned the sound devices, try this out. Identify the sound devices used in the following. There is a 5-second timer before the answer reveals. You can pause if you need more time. Good luck. Number 1. She sells succulents online. She sells succulents online. The answer is alliteration, since there is a repetition of initial consonant sound, which is. Number 2. The cow mooed for food. The cow mooed for food. The answer is onomatopoeia, because of mood, which is the imitation of the sound. We have number 3. Daniel seems to have a cool soul. Daniel seems to have a cool soul. The answer is consonance. It is because of the repetition of consonant sound of L. Number 4. May bakes her cake together with Kate, her friend. May bakes her cake together with Kate, her friend. The answer is assonance, because there is a repetition of vowel sound, which is A. Did you get 4 of 4? Congratulations! If not, you can still do better. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned and enjoyed.